What number is this?
9.
Good. This one? Very good. What about this? Good job. Okay. Let's have fruits. What fruit is this? That's correct. This one? Very good. Do you know? Good job. What about this one? Pineapple. Can you say pineapple? Pineapple. Very good. What's this? Okay, good job. Right, let's have animals. What animal is this? Good. What animal is this? Very good. And this one? It's a chicken. Can you say chicken?
Còn phát âm theo với chicken.
Chicken. Okay, now what about shape? What shape is this? Good job. Oval. Diamond. Rectangle. That's right. Okay, good. Now what is this? Very good. That's hand. What about this? Okay, good. And ear. That's right. Okay, let's have colors. What color is this?
Purple.
Very good. Good job. That's correct. Okay, now can you say the ABC? A, B, Good job. What letter is this? Okay, good job. This one? Very good. What about this? Good job. That's right. Right, now let's look at the red circles. How many red circles?
5.
5. Good. How many blue squares?
6.
Good job. Okay, now tell me, who is this? Grandfather. This one? Monday. Good. Okay, good. Sister. Okay, good job. Okay, good job. That's it.